If you're on the hunt for an AI writing tool that promises to enhance your SEO content strategy, you might have come across KoalaWriter, but does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another tool in a crowded market? KoalaWriter is designed to help users generate SEO-friendly content quickly. At its core, it utilizes AI technology to create articles, blog posts, and other text formats that are optimized for search engines. What stands out immediately is its user-friendly interface, which seems tailored for both beginners and more seasoned marketers. You can input keywords and topics, and the tool generates content that incorporates those elements effectively. However, while the tool shows promise, some areas feel a bit unclear. For instance, the depth of the content it generates can vary, and it's not always clear how much editing might be required afterward. Users might also find themselves needing to double-check facts and ensure the tone aligns with their brand voice, as AI-generated content can sometimes miss the mark. Overall, it seems ideal for those looking to produce a lot of content quickly, but the quality consistency might raise some questions for more discerning users. So what are the real strengths and weaknesses of KoalaWriter? On the plus side, it can save a lot of time, especially for content creators who churn out articles regularly. The ease of use is a bonus too, no steep learning curve here. However, there are some frustrations. The content can sometimes lack depth, meaning you'll likely need to spend additional time refining it. Trust concerns may also arise, particularly around the originality of the content generated. While it aims to provide unique text, there's always the risk of overlapping with existing articles on the web. Pricing can be another sticking point. If you're a casual user, you may find the subscription model a bit much for your needs. Ultimately, while it suits high-volume content creators, those looking for high-quality, nuanced writing might want to explore other options. In conclusion, KoalaWriter could be a solid choice for marketers needing to pump out SEO content quickly. However, if you're after high-quality, in-depth writing, you might want to look elsewhere. It's worth trying if you fit the right user profile, but be prepared to do some polishing on the generated output.